Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make another Sunday video to help us through the week. I'm sorry if my voice is a little scratchy. When I get tired, my voice gets a little scratchy and it's kind of late. Anyways, let's get this started. Before we talk about what's coming up, let's talk about what we've already been through. So, excuse me. You guys, hopefully, if you were willing to help me out with the survey, you know how much I appreciate your input because you guys are the ones I'm making these lessons for. So your input is very valuable. So here's what I got so far. I got 37 responses. Most people were finding the video helpful, although I do think that a lot of people just skip through it. But anyways, as long as you guys are getting the information that you need. Agendas are helpful. That was like a big yes, so I'm happy about that. I just wanted everything to be organized. I'm honest when I'm completing the check-in form. I appreciate honesty because that's the only way I get to hear from you guys. Like I don't get to see you guys every day anymore. So the more honest you can be with me, the better because I really care about how you're doing. Edpuzzle is a good online learning tool. Most people said on the yes side. Some people were like, and then some people don't like it. So I do think that if you struggle with Edpuzzle, it might be because you didn't watch my second video about how to log in. Okay, I put a second video out about some of the errors that you might have been getting, and a better way to log in was just go straight to edpuzzle.com, log in. I'm a student, log in with Google, and that was working for everyone. Okay, and I do like Edpuzzle. I'm going to keep using it. So hopefully you guys can get used to that login process. Lessons are helpful with the homework. Most people said yes. A couple people aren't as convinced, but if you don't think the lessons are helpful, you gotta let me know what part or what I could help you with, how I could supplement the lessons even further. Amount of homework given is reasonable amount to complete before Friday. Most people are on the yes side. Again, a few people are saying they disagree. So I did decide to move that due date to Saturday. I'm not going to move it to Sunday though because by Sunday I'm ready to start the new week. I don't want the old homework still being turned in. Okay. So new due date for everything will be Saturdays. I found it simple to upload a scanned copy. Some people did not agree with that. They don't like Adobe Scan app. Whatever you want to use, just make sure that I can get your assignment opened. Also, if you could, when you open up that assignment, there's like an add button somewhere up here in the corner. You can't see it on my screen because I'm in the teacher view, but you guys should have an add button. That's the best way to get the homework to me because if you email it to me, it might get lost because I'm getting so many emails every day, and I just think it would be a better option for us to avoid that. Okay, if you did it this week, don't freak out. I still have a way to make sure it gets done, but on a regular basis, if you could do that for me, it would be very appreciated. Digital assignments. Now I'm struggling with this because I know the value of digital assignments when I know that you're the one doing it, but I also know that with the circumstances, it's easier for you guys to cheat. And when you are giving me handwritten assignments and scanning them, at least I know that you wrote it down and you're turning it in. Whereas if something's completely digital, more of you guys would just, I don't know, take pictures and send it to each other, whatever, which you might already be doing with the homework. Anyways, I'm getting off topic. Anyways, I'm just going to stick with paper homework, okay? Because I feel like it keeps you guys a little bit more honest. It'd be helpful in Ms. Tovar to learn two of my problems in the video as an example. I would totally do that, but I'm not going to waste my time. Like I said, not everybody watches these videos, and so if you think that this would be good and you would actually watch it, when you do your check-in form at the end, put in there something about, yes, Ms. Tovar, I watch your videos, I'll watch the homework video. The more comments I get like that, then I'll make the video. Otherwise, I'm not really going to waste my time because if two people watch the video, those are two people that could have just emailed me or could have texted me on Google Voice or something, and I wasted my time making the video for that, This question was not a serious question, but it was really sweet to know that a lot of you guys are feeling the same way I am. Some of you guys are like not so much, a little, but yeah, that was really nice. It made me smile. Thank you guys. So let's talk about those comments. I went through them kind of keyword style and highlighted some. Edpuzzle. I don't think you're logging in correctly. Some people said, can we move the deadline? I already did. It's Saturdays now. But also a lot of people are saying that's balanced, it's organized, less stressful than your other classes. So I'm glad you guys are feeling that way. If this was your comment, somebody recommended the Chrome extension called Cami. I've been using that like every day. So thank you, whoever that was. Fridays, scanning is hard. Try to get used to Adobe because some people are saying they like it. This person was even like, I use it for all my classes now. So I'm glad you found a good tool. I don't have a printer. You don't need a printer. Just write stuff down, scan it, and send it. And then, yeah, more of the same stuff. So I just wanted you guys to know that I did go through these. I read them, and I'm taking them into consideration. Look at this person. Loves Edpuzzle. Awesome. Okay. Oh, what about that one that was like a caveman? This one. You move it. Yes, I move it. All right. So then let's talk about this week now. Okay, let's set that due date like I told you guys. Saturday at 11:59. Here's your agenda, check-in, homework, and one lesson. And the reason that there's only one lesson is because this is the layout for this week. Check-in, Google Forms is going to be the resource for the lesson, and then practice problems on the homework on pages 4 and 6. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to post a mastery assignment. It's like a quiz. I'm going to post it on Wednesday. It'll be due on Friday. Okay. I know I said I just extended the due date to Saturday, but that's for the homework. This mastery assignment will be due on Friday. And I just need to limit your guys' time on that so that way I know that you're being honest on it. So the agenda, watch the video, complete the weekly, check in, open the week 2 Google Forms. So let me show you. I think I have it open. Yeah, here it is. Watch all 3 videos, answer the questions. So it has the video at the top, I put a link to just in case, and then the questions underneath. And each time you go to a new page, it'll be a new video. And I think there's 3 videos. This one's only like a minute though. The other ones are no more than like 5 or 7 minutes. So yeah, watch those and let me know if you need help. What else? On Wednesday, Thursday, that's when I'll post the mastery assignment. Submit it before Friday and complete all the questions. It's kind of like a quiz. All right. And that's it for this week. It should be a pretty chill week. Okay. I hope you guys have a good week. I hope everything's going good in all your classes. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.